Kasi, kailangan suggestion yung deadline.
Mabagal ang deadline para mabagal.
So where are we, right?
Ay, naku, kanya mo.
Number 2, first
First
page.
page, item number 2.
Grace, ilang arko bang gagawin na? Half na yung kung magagawa sa better. Nakaatid mo na daw yung arko. Okay, dali tayo.
Sabi dito, gagawa natin ang paraan.
Ilang piraso?
Every night, isa-isa.
Why don't you have chairs, ladies?
Oh no, I don't sit all day at work.
Oh, okay.
Diba?
Do you, who are helping you to do
Ilang
this
arko?
one?
Ayan, dapat isang lugar na magagawa natin. Yeah, that's true. So, because if you travel, yung arko ang lahat.
We should set a deadline, and then when the objectives are not met on that day, we should go to plan B, which is you guys will be Tagalog.
Ay, ako okay na ako. Dahil ako may kapader mag-countdown. Yay!
Sino runner?
I'm ready.
You know, that's interesting.
I'm ready.
We're ready. We're ready.
So, I think we should have a deadline for that.
Hindi, tama yun. Dapat meron ng, may deadline, yung listahan nandyan, para at least
So, ang
malaman.
deadline natin, 20.
That's even too late.
So, one for me, 13.
Dapat as early as possible para
Wait, the deadline for the
Okay, here's the thing. Our deadline for the Look Out for Sagalas will be on May 13.
Okay.
And then we should have at least,
May meeting dapat sa May 14 or 13.
We have meeting every Tuesday.
Okay, 15. Dapat para
okay,
pag-usapan na
at
to.
least we should know who will be there on, who will have a Sagala. Tapos,
So the next week, Father, right? We have complete para
yeah. And if during that time hindi kompleto yung listahan natin, then we should invite the rest of the community for the Sagala.
Because we are, Father, we're inviting people from other communities to participate.
No, what I mean is only within the local community, like our mothers, like our lolos and lolos.
Oh, okay.
Dapat to from meeting sama.
Huwag din naman kasi natin gawin, yung umpisa ng prosesyon, yung mga bata eh. Ang exciting niya, tapos pagula yung mga matatanda ka, di ba? Ano?
Father, ang ganda ng lahat lang po rin yung mga baka hindi umabot sa...
So the deadline is,
Tama, 13 ang deadline ha, submit all pangalan.
Kailangan mo pang email yung staff nila.
Okay.
Kaya nga, kailangan
I'm thinking, Grace, we have people helping you because, you know what, if you
Sino
have
ba ang in charge ng Sagala?
She is.
O sinong, so sa kanya,
At saka si Sir yung katulad mo.
hindi dapat para alam kung sino kukontakin, sinong
Si ano, yan, spali ko.
There you go.
how many Tagalas do we need?
Smile, yeah.
27. Ako no, hey, paano? I'm Angel. Gusto mong i-streamline
I'm
na
not
lang.
Tagala.
I think Ate was raising one for one of the major marriage.
Oh, but
Both of them.
yeah.
For example,
That we both
Isa to no
yung
yan.
hindi na iba,
Don't be stubborn. Be nice.
wala na tutong
Yes, I will
wala na rin si Sarah, wala si Miriam, wala si Sarah. I know the characters.
Ayan.
What we do in the Philippines.
Ayan, naalis na.
Dalhin, ang mga dapat tanggalin.
Can you helping them with the decoration?
Okay.
Are you,
I don't know.
do you,
She can multitask. She can do everything.
do you want to? I'm asking you.
You could say yes or no. I could say yes.
You could say yes, but
But are you gonna say it?
How you gonna do it?
Yeah, is it here in your house?
Okay lang, welcome sa aming bahay sa lahat. Ang aming bahay sa lahat. Magawa.
no, because yung mga banner, yung mga alto,
Kasi ang naan namin sa Alpha, only one place. Talagang magiging magulo pag hinati. O, natapos mo na ba? Dadali mo dito, kunin mo dito, ganito. Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Okay. That's just like black here now.
Isang gabi, dalawa, isang Alpha, diba? We don't need to do it to this day. Just little flower.
How about the frame?
They have the frame.
Okay, we need 25.
25 lang daw kailangan total.
25.
Okay, then we write it.
However, may kulang dito.
Oh, may kulang daw.
Some do.
May 2 sila kasama to eh.
You got my book, my pen. I don't have any more pen. I just
Lalaki to eh, lalaki to eh. Kasama yan, kasi he's the beginning of... Kasi may kusil na.
Storya yan.
Storya yan eh.
Storya yan, kaya kailangan medyo sundahan.
So that they will copy it. So they could hear it's already correct.
Gagawa ka naman, it's time to follow the
Tama, ito yung ano.
to save time. And
Yung
this one,
sequence talaga eh.
So we need more volunteers to help.
You want me to give it to them, Father?
the instruction for
Yung para sa
But
ano,
for
yung
example, every
announcement.
sila just do preparation.
I'll give it to them.
Pwedeng 1 hour.
Volunteer na yung aking buong kapamilya. Ano ka maganda?
Ano pala?
Buong pamilya. Guerrero will help.
Can I charge?
Guerrero, El Hilagan. Naku!
My charger.
Nag-iisang lalaki pero ang daming babae. Officer of public
No, we're good with that.
Grace, bilangin mo natin, hindi naman natin nakakon. Ilang ako gagawin natin. So, when do you start? 10. Tangin na. Kung kaya may 10, meron kami ako na pero. Ilang ako na ilang ako ganun. Ilang meron. Meron ka siya na.
Alam mo, meron yan. Kasi ipon nila every,
You still need 27 Tagalas, but the other one is a guy.
So 28.
No, 27 na.
We got liturgy.
26 female.
We got liturgy.
Okay, you got the announcements in the hall.
Ha?
Let's do the announcements in the hall. Okay, announcements are being done, all the thank yous are being done in the hall. And Belma, you're giving directions after communion about what exactly we're doing.
26 female and one guy.
In 2 languages.
It doesn't matter what.
3.
That
Español
guy,
también.
he can be.
3 languages, Father.
Father,
Translated.
Yeah, go ahead. Keep it moving.
Give it to Veronica. She will translate.
No. Translate. Just give it.
yeah.
So we start in the afternoon.